Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to register for a GoTime bank account. So step 1, download and open the GoTime app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for GoTime Bank and install the app and then open it. Step 2, tap on open an account. On the welcome screen, tap the open an account button and begin the onboarding process. Step 3, enter your personal details. Fill out your full name, birth date, mobile number, and email. Make sure that everything is accurate and up to date. Step 4, take a selfie and scan your ID. You will be asked to scan a valid government issued ID like your UMID, driver's license, or passport, and then take a quick selfie for identity verification. Step 5, wait for the approval and set up your PIN. Once your application is approved, usually within just minutes, you can set up your 6-digit PIN and start using your GoTime digital wallet. One more option is find a kiosk and register there and print your Visa debit card. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.